Okay guys, welcome to VX2, where we try to review 2 videos a week. Our first one this week is actually in the Garden State, in Stafford, New Jersey. Here we have a clip of a house getting blown the shit out of, because apparently there's too much snow on the roof, covering some sort of gas thing that we don't care about. We just want to see explosions. Unfortunately, there's no sound to this clip, so we had to go ahead and add our own. Are you sure this was a gas explosion and not just some meth lab blowing up? Here's a picture of the aftermath. Doesn't look like much of a house here. Alright, next up, we got a video from the English, where our buddy Adam decides to have a little fun with duct tape.
Hello everyone! Adam! I'm being serious! I'm Facebooking this. No! Adam! Get off the floor! No!
Jesus Christ, would this kid stop fucking whining already? It's just a little duct tape. Somebody put a sock in it. Alright guys, that's our 2 videos for the week. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Deuces.
Say bye! Bye.